Get. To receive. To succeed or achieve. To become. The weather is getting warmer. The winner will get his prize tomorrow. He will get another chance tomorrow. He got a good education before moving to the US. We got approval for our plan. They got a lot of complaints about the article. She gets a lot of enjoyment from doing art. He finally got recognition for his work. Did you get a receipt? She got her inspiration while traveling in Europe. I finally get a vacation. We got tickets for the game. We got instructions on how to complete the task. She got her degree in English literature. We got an invitation to their wedding. Did you get my message? She got a package in the mail. He got a scholarship to Harvard. She got a warning for her behavior. They got many donations at the event. I hope she gets the hint. She got a cramp in her leg. He got a reward for saving the boy. He got a lot of exposure at the event. She got a tan on vacation.